This is an emergency broadcast for the video game Mabinogi. This emergency broadcast is for servers Tarlach, Alexina, Mari, and Rory. As of August 19, 2011, a group of hackers have hacked Mabinogi. They currently duplicated the gold amount in the game by an overwhelming 2,500%. A glitch has taken place in the city Dunbarton where hackers can call it needlehorns non-stop. The monster servers as of now are currently down, and the Mari server has an error. Any players who still play it, please be cautious to the rollback of the characters has become extremely high lately. This is an emergency alert system report. This message will repeat in 5 seconds.